Are you a bored broke teenager? Are you really interested in doing something in beauty? You need to follow me. I'm Sarah Naylor and I teach bored broke teenagers the practical skills in brows, lashes and nails, plus the business tools so that you can set up your very own beauty business. If you've always dreamed of having your own beauty business, you need to come and do one of my courses. My Billionaire Brow course will teach you everything from brow lamination, lash lift, brow tint, brow wax, brow grooming, brow shaping, plus all the business tools that you need to set up your own brow business. Doing brows is really, really easy to do. It does take time and practice, but you learn all of the practical skills in my courses, plus you learn the business tools to set up your very own brow business. For doing a brow tint and a brow wax, you can charge anything from 15 to 25 euros. If you're doing a brow lamination with tint and wax, you can charge anything from 35 euros to 60 euros. If you're doing a lash lift, you can charge anything from 35 euros to 60 euros. Do a lash lift and a tint can be 35 euros to 65 euros. The world is your oyster. I can teach you how to do the pricing. I can teach you how to do the skills. I can teach you how to get the customers. You need to come on my Billionaire Brow course. It starts on the 27th of January. It's 450 euros. You get the full kit. You get manuals. You get videos. You get access to a private group. And you get mentoring from me. If you want to start your very own Billionaire Brow business, you need to come to my course. If you are a bored broke teenager and you're interested in doing any beauty courses, follow me. I'm Sarah Naylor and I specialise in teaching bored broke teenagers how to set up their very own beauty businesses.